I know you're tired of struggling to curl your hair, so here's a breakdown that's going to give you that breakthrough you've been looking for. Make sure your hair is tangle free and apply your heat protectant. Grab a section of hair no bigger than the size of your curling iron. Smooth that section out with either your fingers or a comb. Clamp the curling iron nice and high towards your root and just smooth it all the way through the ends. Now you're going to repeat that motion with the twist. Start with the clamp facing the ceiling and smooth down until you get to the middle of the section, pausing. Start rolling that hair towards your ear. The goal is to stay towards the middle of that section. Even though you're curling more hair, the hair will start curling onto itself, which is totally fine. You're going to open and close to move downward and then roll back up once or twice and repeat that motion until all the hair is fed into the curling iron. Notice how you can barely see what I'm curling? That's exactly what I want you to do. No strand left behind, because when you leave those 3 to 4 strands out of the curling iron, it ends up looking sloppy. Hold for a few seconds or until you feel the warmth from the outside of that curl. Carefully release the curl and then clip it in place to cool. Believe it or not, I'm actually only working with 2 or 3 clips, just alternating them for each curl, and that's all we need. Look at the material. Now that you know how to curl, don't get stuck. You can repeat this process throughout your entire head. With your hair parted right down the middle, on the right side, you're going to always curl towards your right ear. On the left side, you're always going to curl towards your left ear. Make sure that you're holding the curling iron horizontally, just like I am in the video. Don't forget to comment and let me know how it's going in the comments. Was it foolproof or was it foolproof? When you're done curling, go in with some holding spray to hold your curls a little longer. This is the Sebastian Reshaper. I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. Don't be afraid to comb through your curls. I don't like a lot of volume up there, so I'm just going in with my comb. I'm also going in with my fingers. Don't be afraid to mess your curls up. The best curls are the ones that you comb into place. Promise, these curls are not going anywhere if you follow this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm always taking video and tutorial suggestions, so if there's something you'd like to see, comment it below. Or if you have any questions or just want to tell me how your curls came out. The comments I see the most do get dedicated tutorials, so be sure to comment and let me know what you'd like to see next, or if someone else had already commented it, to engage with that comment so I know it'll be helpful to you.